We need to have a talk. I feel like I've said a million times I want to get this channel up and running, so I'm not gonna say that. I have really big plans for this channel that I really just want to have the time for and to film, and I feel so creative and just really enjoy what I'm doing when I'm filming on my vlog channel. I feel like it's not a ton of structure. It could be really whatever I want to post or whatever I'm doing for the day. The problem comes in when day to day I'm in front of my computer editing for my main channel. I have a plan for this channel, and as you guys know, we're building a house, and once that starts wrapping up a little bit, we've decided that Andy's going to most likely quit his job, work with me, and then also he's been going to school full-time as well. So he'll be going to school, but mostly helping me with my channel, and I'm super excited for that. We're gonna do, like, this year is like the year of travel once that happens, so it probably won't happen for another few months or so until we're able to start doing that. But that's when I see more vlogs happening on this channel and really doing it on a consistent daily, not daily, but consistent 3 times a week at first probably type of channel, and I'm so excited for it. I have so many ideas to do, especially with the new house and everything else. It's just right now I've just kind of been in a rut on my main channel and kind of stuck. So basically what I'm trying to say is I'm slowly but surely trying to bring back this channel, with my end goal being it's gonna be full force by mid-year. So you could probably see not very consistent vlogs because during the day I'm here by myself mostly, and I don't really do a ton of entertaining things that you guys would probably want to see. But for now, every once in a while, I think I'm just going to play around with kind of different editing styles, as you'll see in this video, and just kind of see what type of vlogs I want to make. So I feel super creative in that aspect. Also kind of been playing with the idea of going on my main channel from 3 videos a week to 2 videos a week, because pretty much all of 2018 I did 3 videos a week, and it's a ton. It seems like a never-ending process, and I feel like I don't have enough time in the week to really like crank out good ideas and make videos like edited different and interesting and entertaining. It's mostly like boom boom boom. So I don't know, I'm excited to start experimenting more with different editing styles. That's basically all I wanted to talk to you guys about before we hop into today's vlog. Was just, I'm not forgetting about this channel. This channel is like a big goal of mine that I really just, I see myself eventually veering more into vlogs, and I just really enjoy them. I enjoy watching vlogs, I enjoy making vlogs, I enjoy watching my own vlogs, which is very rare for me. I typically don't usually like watching my own videos, I don't know, but I always look back on my vlogs and love them. So I'm not coming back full force yet. I'm sure there'll be some kind of announcement when Andy and I do. He'll definitely be more a part of this channel. I might even change the channel name. So basically I'm getting there. Now let's get into the rest of the vlog. So currently it's like 10 o'clock. I've been waiting on my mom and mostly my sister all morning. We're heading to the gym and then trying out this tea shop, and then I have to run some grocery errands and I have to go get my allergy shots, which not fun. I need to like layer up though because it is so cold outside. It's like 20 degrees and gotta go like defrost my car and stuff. Oh, the joys of snow. It just snowed here yesterday and I'm like not about it. Got done at the gym, so now I'm with Amber. It's right here. Mom, I'm going to get some tea. So this should be nice. It's freezing out. We are at Dobra Tea in West Asheville. It's pretty quiet in here, so I'm trying to be quiet. You look so thrilled today. So just the little girls' lunch. Got some spring rolls, they got bowls, and then our tea, and I got this snickerdoodle cookie. It's like super healthy, gluten-free. It's really interesting, it's really good tasting, different. So we're sitting here and Mom asked us what our goal is for the week. Mine is to get through the week. What's yours?
Mine is to look up online for guardian ad litem. So I think you
butchered that.
No, I didn't. That's right.
Courtney, add Lido.
Right. That's what I'm gonna do.
And yours? You don't have one. We're on the same team. So I am back home. My hair is crazy. Andy should be home anytime, so I'm just gonna undo the groceries. I need to unload the dishwasher and like put those dishes in it and take my vitamins before I forget, because I'm staring right at them and I always forget. I think I'm just gonna show you guys what I got at the grocery store. Personally, I really like grocery hauls, so I just needed to pick up like a few things that I was missing for some recipes I'm gonna make. So let me show you. Got a couple snacks for Andy, and I low-key love these, although I try not to eat chips. Got some strawberries for my oatmeal. The only way I could like eat plain oatmeal like straight from the large tubs that have no sugar in it is I add peanut butter and strawberries and a bunch of like hemp seeds and chia seeds, and it transforms the taste. And then I also just got a cord pineapple. It's awesome because at Ingles, which is our grocery store here, this is the same price as the regular one, so score. Got some broccoli and some bok choy because I'm making like some Asian style dishes, and they both actually needed bok choy. So first time I actually ever bought this. I don't really know how to cut it. I think you kind of just cut it. I don't think you use too much of the stems, but I'm gonna have to look that up so it doesn't go to waste. The last things I got were also for the recipes, and I'm making a Thai curry soup and then like a veggie chicken pad Thai healthy type of thing. So I needed coconut and I needed red chili paste. I got the roasted red chili paste because Andy and I like a little spice to our stuff. Then I needed two different noodles. I needed vermicelli. Not sure if that's how you say it. This is for the soup. They're like really fine noodles. And then this, I couldn't find what the recipe called for. This is just pad Thai brown rice noodles. So I figured these would work. And that's basically all I got. Andy just got home and we are back in the car running out to our property to check on it. We're supposed to finally be getting footers dug and all of that stuff. We were waiting on the surveyor to come out and stake the house. We've just run into a lot of problems. So this was supposed to be done like a long time ago. So we're just going out there. They may or may not still be working. My mom, when I met up with her earlier, drove by and said they were working because our property is on the way from her house into town, so she always checks every time she comes into town. She checks for us. So hopefully there's some progress. Hopefully we get some good news that they're starting, or I don't know. We're gonna see what's going on. So what you think?
It's coming together.
It's coming together. Yeah, when we first were looking at land and properties, it did not look nearly as steep.
It's gonna sit pretty though.
As it actually is, but we'll have all this up there and goes way back. I think we're just, I know at least I am, just kind of anxious to see how it all pans out and how it all ends up looking. We're just like, worst case scenario, if we don't like it, we'll end up selling it and making some money, but we'll at least be in it for a while, hopefully. All right guys, so we're down here sitting on the floor. I really need to organize my drawers. Like, this always pops open. I have like all my socks, all my long fluffy socks and fuzzy socks, which I've gotten so many of since we live here now and it's cold all the time. And this is also my underwear drawer and it's just like insane. So I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna go through my other drawers with my workout clothes and sleepwear and stuff like that that's in my dresser, because it's all just getting so full. I feel like now that we live in North Carolina, it's so cold and I've gotten more like sweatpants and leggings and sweatshirts and all of that stuff that I really need to purge some old stuff. So I'm just gonna organize and kind of go through everything. I guess I'll do like a time lapse. Alright guys, I'm all done organizing my dresser and nightstand. I just gotta put all this stuff in a bag to let my sister go through it. I hope you guys enjoyed just like this casual vlog, but I'm not saying I'll see you soon, but I really hope I see you guys soon. I'm gonna try to do something like weekly or something like that. We'll see. But anyways, I hope you all have an amazing, amazing rest of your day, beginning of your day, whatever time you're watching this, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.